Imagine where you could be in just 90 days if you committed to changing yourself completely. 90 days, that's all it takes to transform your habits, mindset, and your life. Most people wait for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, the perfect conditions. But the truth, there will never be a perfect moment. You have to start now. Start by identifying one thing you want to change. It could be your health, career, mindset, or relationships. Focus on one goal and give it everything for 90 days. Break that 90-day goal into daily actions. Small, consistent steps compound into massive results. Progress, not perfection, is key. Expect challenges. You will face moments of doubt, distraction, and temptation, but these moments are tests of your commitment. Visualize your success. Imagine the person you want to become at the end of these 90 days. Feel it, believe it. This vision will pull you forward. Remove distractions. Surround yourself with people, environments, and tools that support